Guess my number. As the name suggests, I have developed an awesome game for Home Assistant where Home Assistant can guess any number of your choice between 0 and 99 by showing some number cards to you. For demo, let's get a random number from Google. Google gave us number 54. Let's start. It is showing us 8 cards and we have to tap the cards where our desired number 54 is present. After selecting the correct cards, there are two options: show the number or announce the number. Let's tap the first one. And here it is. It has correctly guessed our number. Let's try it once again. This time, Google gave us number 10. Reset all cards and select only the cards with number 10. And this time, let's ask it to announce the number.
I know, it's 10.
Wow, it's a great fun for the entire family, isn't it? But how to set it up? Let's do it. To set up this interesting game, go to vccground GitHub page. Link to this page is provided in the description below. Click this green button and download zip. Leave the page open. The first step is to open the downloaded folder and copy these 8 cards in it. Now in your Home Assistant config folder, create a new folder named www if you haven't already and paste all 8 pictures of the number cards in it. Next step is to go to Settings, Devices and Services, Helpers and create 8 different toggle helpers named card A to card H. I have already created them, so just guiding you. Create another toggle helper with name Start and a last helper with name Show My Number. Keep all the names similar as shown here. Step 3 is open your configuration.yaml file, go to GitHub page and copy the code below step 3 and paste it under the sensor heading as shown here. If you already have sensor heading or platform template sensors heading in your configuration file, just remove those lines and paste the rest of the codes. Do take care of proper indentation in that case, otherwise it may not get recognized. Now save the file and go to Developer Tools to check the configuration for any indentation errors. If everything is okay, our next step is go to Scripts, and click Add Script at the bottom of the page. Click 3 dots on the upper right corner and select Edit in YAML. Now copy the next code under step 4 and paste it in the YAML editor. Click Save to save the Reset Cards script. Step 5 is to follow the same procedure to create and save the Announce My Number script. Here just remember to write the name of your own media player in target field. If you don't have any media player configured, just leave this step. It's optional. Similarly, go to Automations and create a new automation. Click 3 dots on the upper right corner and select Edit in YAML. Copy the code below step 6 and paste the same in the YAML editor. Click Save to save the automation. With these 6 steps, your backend setup is completed. Now we need to create a dashboard for the front end. For that, in your Lovelace dashboard page, click 3 dots on the upper right corner and select Edit Dashboard. Click Add Card, select any card here and select Show Code Editor at the bottom. Copy this last code and paste the same in the YAML editor. Remember to replace this IP address with your own Home Assistant IP in all 8 cards configuration. Now click Save to save the new card. Click Done. And that's it. Just restart your Home Assistant and you are good to go. Let's test our new setup now. Let's get a random number from Google. This time it's 25. So it's present in card B, then card D and card G. Show my number and wow, it gave the correct number. Let's announce the number.
Very easy. It's 25.
Wonderful. So this was all about this little fun game. Hope each and every member of your family love this small game. If yes, do let me know by hitting the like button below. One more thing, I would like you to find the logic behind this game, how it identifies the correct number. Do comment if you find the secret behind it. Also share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get all my unique, exciting and practical videos as and when I'll post them. So that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video soon. Till then, goodbye friends.